Hello students. So now I am going to explain the third type of ground tissues called sclerenchyma. What it is called? Sclerenchyma. I have told you that parenchyma and collenchyma are the living cells. But this sclerenchyma, when they mature, they dead at maturity. They dead at maturity. What does it mean, you know? It means that when they are formed, when the cell was formed, they had cellulose. But as they mature, the cell wall, this is what the cell wall, it got lignified. Means what? There is a deposition of lignin took place. Deposition of lignin, and because of that, what happened? It becomes dead. How do you know? Because of the deposition of lignin, the exchange of water and gases stopped. The exchange of water and gases stopped because the lignin deposition was thick. So if any cell will not get water or gases, obviously it will die. So there are spaces in between. That space is known as lumen. But this is what? Dead part. This part is dead. So the sclerenchyma was alive, but because of the deposition of lignin in their cell wall, which stopped the exchange of important substances like water and air, it becomes dead. And what is saying inside in the cytoplasm? What the cytoplasm got completely dead, so lumen is formed. What it is formed? It formed lumen. Sclerenchyma, the sclerenchyma is basically of two types. It is of two types. The first one is fiber and the another one is sclerids. The first one is fiber and the another one is sclerid. This fiber, according to these fiber and sclerids are depending upon their shape. The structure of the fiber is spindle shaped, long spindle shaped structure. Long and spindle shaped structure. Where are they found? They are found in cambium, like in xylem. In xylem they are found in fiber structure. And what it is called, do you know? Bast fibers. What they are called? Bast fibers or xylem fibers. It is also found in phloem. It is also found in phloem and it is known as phloem fibers. What it is known as? Phloem fibers. And very usually means very easy to find this fibers in husk of coconuts. Everyone must have seen that external part of the coconut, when you remove the skin of the coconut, upper skin of the coconut, inside you'll get fiber-like structure called husk. So it is also found in the husk of coconut. Husk of coconut. Mostly they provide mechanical support. Collenchyma was also providing mechanical support, but it also provides mechanical support. Now let us know about sclerids. What do we mean by, and what is the location of sclerids, how many types of sclerids, and what is their function? They are of different types. Sclerids are of different types as per their shapes, structure and location. The first one is known as brachysclerids. The first one is called brachysclerids. And it is also known as, you know what? Stone cells. इसे हम stone cells भी कहते हैं because of their structure. इनका जो shape होता है वो irregular होता है. And that once again you can see the deposition of lignin in their cell wall and inside lumen. Dead part, that is lumen, and the wall is lignified. Means what? Lignin deposition is there. This is what known as Brachysclerids. Where are they found? Their location is in the pulp of guava. ये कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? गुआवा के पल्प में. You can see in sapota and pears. They provide mechanical support to the pulpy part of these fruits. Now what is the next one? This is the first one. What is the second one? Second one is known as matrosclerid. What is their structure? Their structure is like pillar. ये pillar की तरह होते हैं. Their structure is like pillars, and they are found in the epidermis of leguminous seeds. Leguminous seeds means what, you know? In the seed coat. Where they are found? They are found in the seed coat. Third type is known as osteosclerids. What it is known as? Osteosclerids. Osteo means bone. They look like bone. So they are named osteosclerids. They are also elongated, and they are found in the subepidermal region. In the subepidermal region of leguminous seeds. That is osteosclerids. And the fourth one is asterosclerids. Means what? They look like sclerids. They look like stars. How do they look like? Stars. And they are also thick. इनके भी wall thick है and deposited by lignin. Inside lumen is found. Here also lignin deposition is there and lumen is found, and they are found, asterosclerids are found in tea leaves. These all sclerids or fibers, they all are dead cells. As I told you that they are initially alive, but as the lignification took place, means deposition of lignin, they become dead because of not allowing the exchange of gases and water inside. So the lumen is formed. Means what? Dead cytoplasm. So I hope you people have understood. In my description box, I'll be giving parenchyma and collenchyma's explanation or link. So thank you all of you. Don't forget to write the comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.